Welcome back Autovechia legend the Honda Civic RS 2025. The Honda Civic RS is the sportier and more premium variant of the popular Honda Civic lineup. Known for its sleek design, reliable performance, and advanced features, the Civic RS appeals to those who want both comfort and a sporty driving experience. The RS, in its name, stands for road sailing, which reflects its smooth yet dynamic performance on the road. Design and exterior. The Civic RS features a more aggressive and stylish exterior compared to the regular Civic models. It includes a black front grille, sleek LED headlights, and RS badging on the front and rear. The front bumper is sportier with a more aerodynamic design, and it comes with 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels depending on the region. The rear spoiler, sharper lines, and chrome-tipped exhaust enhance its sporty appeal. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Civic RS offers a premium cabin experience. The interior is modern and driver-focused, with high-quality materials, leather-trimmed seats, and red stitching to highlight its sporty nature. The digital instrument cluster, 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and dual-zone climate control are standard features. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and higher trims may offer wireless versions. The Civic RS is spacious for a compact sedan. It has plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, and the boot space is generous, making it practical for everyday use. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Civic RS is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering around 176 to 182 horsepower and 240 Nm of torque. The engine is mated to a CVT, continuously variable transmission, tuned for both fuel efficiency and sporty driving. The Civic RS handles well on corners and highways, thanks to its sport-tuned suspension and low center of gravity. The steering is responsive, offering a good feel of the road, and the car stays stable even at high speeds. Fuel efficiency. Despite its sporty nature, the Civic RS remains fuel efficient. On average, it delivers around 16 to 18 kilometers per liter, depending on driving conditions. This makes it a great choice for those who want performance without sacrificing fuel economy. Safety features. Honda has equipped the Civic RS with advanced safety features through its Honda Sensing Suite, which includes Collision Mitigation Braking System (CMBS), Lane Keeping Assist System (LKAS), Adaptive Cruise Control (ACC), Road Departure Mitigation (RDM), Forward Collision Warning (FCW), Lane Departure Warning (LDW). In addition, it comes with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, Vehicle Stability Assist, Rear View Camera, and parking sensors. Technology and connectivity. The Civic RS features advanced tech including Smart Keyless Entry and Push Start, Wireless Charging Pad, Premium 8 to 12 speaker audio system depending on variant, Connected Car technology in some markets. These features make it both enjoyable and convenient to drive. Price and variance. The price of the Honda Civic RS varies by market. In countries like India or Pakistan, it is considered a premium sedan. In the Philippines, Thailand, or Malaysia, it often comes in fully loaded variants priced higher than standard Civics. Pricing generally ranges between $28,000 to $35,000 USD, depending on the region and optional features. Conclusion. The Honda Civic RS is a stylish, powerful, and feature-rich sedan that balances sporty looks with everyday comfort. With its turbocharged engine, advanced safety features, and premium design, it's a great option for young professionals or anyone looking for a fun yet practical car. If you're looking for a sedan that feels exciting but also fits daily driving needs, the Civic RS is worth considering. Subscribe my YouTube channel and more videos.